Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're getting rid of this junk and putting on this sweetness. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you these headlights I just recently installed on the Jeep here. It has drastically changed the way you can see at night in this thing. And of course, the stock headlights have never been known to be reliable. They're super dim. There's the regular halogen bulbs. These are the Oracle LEDs here. I didn't get the halos because I didn't want to mess with the wiring. These were just plug and play, super bright. I would definitely highly recommend these if you have a JK. I think these will even fit the TJ. You'll have to correct me if I'm wrong. But I just installed these. They literally took about 30 minutes, just plug and play, super easy. I didn't do an install video because there's like a million on YouTube. But these were a great upgrade, honestly one of my favorite upgrades, and I can't believe it took me so long to get them installed. But as you can see, there's the black lens there. Again, super bright. I mean, night and day. It feels like I have a light bar up front. It's awesome, and I love them, honestly. Oracle, great brand. I've heard great things about them. As you see, they came out really nice. They really changed the front end as well. Ignore the messy ass garage, but I just wanted to show, as you can see, I mean, just super freaking bright, and the pattern's really nice and wide. They look super badass. Definitely a must-have upgrade for any Jeep, truthfully. Not only for safety, but just because they look freaking awesome. And they were plug and play, super easy. Again, I'd recommend the Oracle ones. I would not recommend going with the super cheap brands. And the main reason I'd say not to go with the super cheap brands is truthfully just because I've heard some really bad quality control things with them, truthfully. Just never really heard consistently good things about any of the Amazon brands of headlights. And you also just want quality parts for your Jeep. You don't want it to fail while you're driving home one night or be flickering on and off. These Oracle headlights have no flickering. I've noticed that as well. So that's something you will not have to deal with. And if you do, I'm sure Oracle would back their product. They're a really solid brand. They're in multiple different industries, whether it be the cars, trucks, off-road. They have great product support, so I would highly recommend them as well. Super fast shipping, and of course they got rid of those junky JK headlights. So again, would highly recommend these. I wish it would have been something I would have done way earlier with this Jeep, truthfully. So again, guys, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from this Jeep. Just let me know. I'll be doing some future videos here soon, just product reviews, things I liked, things I didn't like and changed. So give me a like, a subscribe. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, drop them in the comment section there. And again, appreciate you watching.